mahuli na.
Uy, good. Pahuway din sa pala sa iyo.
Sige. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Okay, this afternoon we are going to tackle the pathogenic parasites. Last meeting, the group of Mr. Arby introduced to us what is parasitology. So parasitology is the study of
Parasites.
And now we're going to introduce to all of you what are those pathogenic parasites. So may iba siya mga pathogenic parasites.
Naamaw na.
So presenters for today parasites. Yours truly, Dustin M. Zulina, Miss Lily Sarmiento, Mrs. Regine Torres, and Miss Regine Araya.
Mga parasites.
So for today's lesson objectives, first, define and differentiate between various types of pathogenic parasites. Second, describe the general characteristics of medically important parasites. And lastly, to identify the different representative species of parasite in each class. Okay, what is parasites? Please read.
A parasite is an organism that lives in another organism called the host and often harms it. It is dependent on its host for survival, live, grow, and multiply. A parasite cannot live independently.
Okay, a parasite is an organism that lives in another organism called the host. So it cannot live independently because their life depends on its host. Next. So parasites. Parasites are pathogens that stimulously endures and derive sustenance from its host. Some organisms called parasites are actually commensals in that they neither benefit nor harm their host. For example, Entamoeba coli. So parasites are pathogens. When we say pathogens, it is an organism that can cause danger or harm to its host. So some organisms called parasites are actually commensals. So dili tanan siya parasites. Pathogens siya, but it also have symbiotic relationship, which is commensalism, wherein the host ang parasite maka-benefit siya but cannot harm the host. So example of this is the Entamoeba coli. So it is an organism or species siya na yun, more survive siya sa gastrointestinal tract of the human. So, mga acid reflux, yun mga, iba na mga kuha na, acid reflux, it cannot harm the as in mucus yun siya na, cover siya na So next, these are the pathogenic parasites. So first is the protozoa. Second, cystodes, nematodes, nematodes, arthropods. So first, let's discussion is This week, protozoa.
Single-cell organisms that can cause various diseases in humans and animals such as malaria, amoebiasis, and gardiasis.
So, protozoa is a single-cell organism or one-cell animals found worldwide in or in most habitats. So, single-cell organism that can cause various diseases. Sino yung pamilya ng ameba? Sino yung
Ameba?
Yeah, how about girls? Diba? Most commonly niyo siya makita sa mga kuan. Yung brain, mukha ka ng brain. Yung sa
Sundaan.
Ay, sa
tubig,
tubig.
makakonservos na yun
Okay.
sa contaminated water or food.
Lagi si food.
So, ang cause of social amoebozoa can also cause the disease such as malaria, amoebiasis,
Amoebiasis.
So, for another pathogenic parasites, so this is the general.
Hindi makarang, hindi na.
Why na ka niyo?
Sastog.
Hindi na.
Mga bipok.
So the second type of parasite is cestodes. So cestodes are
Meron mga
worms
saskusimyasis.
that are parasitic in the intestines of vertebrates. So vertebrates, what are the some types of vertebrates? Mga animals, mga dogs, diba? Vertebrates.
Kapit tao.
Oh, humans. Humans. They can cause disease like
Cysticeriosis.
cirrhosis and echinococosis. So, ang cestodes ko no, ang pinag-check is tapeworms. Ito ang dito, so, makuha ang tapeworms through indigestion of mga raw foods, such as ang mga fresh.
Pero dapat isa sa fresh ma'am.
Mga,
Makinilaw.
ano pa yung fruits?
Sabi na sa salmon.
Ang
Salmon.
Salmon.
Ang fresh salmon.
Hey, stay with me. It's not really hot. Come on, let's go.
So the next one is basahan niyo.
Roundworms that can be found in soil, water, and plants, as well as in animals and humans. Some common diseases caused by nematodes include
Ascariasis, hookworm infection, and filariasis.
So, kailangan mo na yung roundworms.
Di
Kita
ba?
mo ng roundworms.
Puro.
Agad ang lingin, ringworm.
Like,
Roundworm sa
Ayos na, joke na siya. Bunjongin mo ito.
so, it can be found in soil, water, and
maglinta. Oo,
so,
ay
ay
mga,
mga siya na naman ng murag
gabi-gabi.
So, ang roundworms can cause ascariasis and filariasis. Ang ascariasis, ang mga symptoms ng ascariasis is magsuka, sakit ang tiyan, so that's our symptoms. Then siya ascariasis. While the filariasis, paano siya mamutuin ng siki, tapos something magalis ka, ang part ng ito is mamutuin ng dapat ito ang iba. So that's the filariasis. Kanto, disease caused by the roundworm. So the next, the dermatodes.
Nematodes, also known as nematodes, are parasitic worms that can infect organs part of the body, Disease is caused by nematodes, adult nematodes sa blood vessel, sa liver, timalir niyo ay makita yun, adult nematodes sa liver, blood vessels, and also in the blood. Okay. Makita mo po sa lungs, liver, blood vessels, and now, the last one is the heart. Parasitic are arthropods include insects like lice, fleas, and mosquitoes, as well as arachnids like mice and ticks. These parasites can transmit diseases such as Lyme disease, malaria, and
Typhus
For
fever.
example, ang mosquito or mosquito or parasites such as Plasmodium. Ang may makakos yan ng malaria.
So, kagaya ang pathogen.
it can harm
Pathogens po yan. Causing bacteria or microbes.
So, example of pathogens are bacteria, viruses, parasites. So, some pathogens are parasitic and may depend on the host to achieve nutrients and filters that will be called pathogens only if they cause disease. So, dili ko na ito malaon na pathogen ang nakakos sa host kung kaya siya epekto sa kuan. Like for example sa tao or sa animals. So, pathogenicity.
Pathogenicity. Pathogenicity.
pathogenicity.
Pathogenicity refers
Refers to the ability of an organism to cause disease.
Example, harm the host. The
Pathogenesis of
Ang tawag sa kuan, ability of an organism to cause a disease is pathogenicity. Meanwhile, pathogenesis is the biological mechanism that leads to disease of the animals. So, meaning, pathogenesis is a process. So, from infection, mahimo na siya kuan, kung lala siya, mahimo na siya sakit or malalang sakit. Char, ayun. So, ano ito? Ano ito? Kalarian sa pathogenicity of pathogenesis. Genesis.
pathogenesis is a process. The pathogenicity is the ability to
ability to cause disease.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
7 time. Mag-uuli.
Yeah, did you pwede i-pause? Pwede na yun pag...
Activity time!
Everybody.